Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the delay, but they had some server issues in the app, but I kinda predicted today's word. Remember yesterday I said let's say tomorrow they bring the word ETH. So today's word is going to be ETH. So it's Ethereum, but we are having the short term. So today's secret word is ETH. Okay, so as always, look at our Morse codes. Look for letter E. The Morse code for letter E, it's a single tap, so it will give us a dot. So you will tap once, okay? Then you look for T, which is here, long press, which will give us a dash. So when you long press and release, it will give us a dash. Then you look for H, which is 4 taps, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will tap 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yesterday I just gave it as an example, and today they have brought it as the secret code. So let me show you on my friend's phone here how you do it. Remember, you tap 3 times on this and per tap. I'm having 2 things to handle, so make sure you click here 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and this button will turn red. Okay, remember we said to get E. Are you seeing here? To get E, you tap once. So tap once, and that will give us E. For T, you long press, and that will give us T. Then for H, as you can see here, you tap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will give us H. And today's secret word was Ethereum, as I guessed yesterday with an example. Lastly, kick, take the prize. I think it's the network. As you can see there, they're having some issues with the network, but keep on trying, keep on clicking, take the prize, and you'll be good to go. Okay, I've already claimed it on my phone, but right now, as you saw, it's the network. Oh, this is embarrassing, but you have known the secret word. It's ETH. You tap once, long press to get that dash, then tap 4 times to get H. Right now it's the network failing us, but that was the secret code for today. It's ETH. Okay, it's just the network refusing us to claim. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. I don't know why, but it has failed to claim. Let's try, fingers crossed. Oops. But yeah guys, that's the secret word. It's ETH. Make sure you try it. I'm trying to claim here on my friend's phone, but it's saying there is some network issue. But this was today's word. Peace.